pays homage to slain personnel of Assam Rifles Ningthaujam Subhash Chandra, who was killed in an IED ambush by prescribed outfit PLA. Manipur continues drives against drugs trafficking, nabs 2 persons with heroin powder weighing 1 kg, worth around 20 lakh rupees in the local market. State Transport Department collects a total fine of 76,000 rupees from 93 illegally parked vehicles and vehicles without complete documents in Imphal city. And Manipur Anti-Vehicle Theft Team and Anti-Motor Theft Squad Detective Department, Kolkata Crime Branch recovered 9 4-wheelers stolen from Kolkata. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Rashmi Lashram with the top stories and latest news at this hour. Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren led the people in paying homage to late Assam Rifles personnel Ningthaujam Subhash Chandra, who was killed in an IED ambush carried out by prescribed outfit PLA on Monday morning. Speaking to media persons, Chief Minister Biren has strongly condemned the attack on security forces. Asserting that his government has been holding political dialogues to resolve the problems of underground outfits in the state peacefully, the Chief Minister declared that his government will now give befitting retaliation to such violent attack. He assured of arresting the culprits and to award punishment soon. Deputy Chief Minister Yumnam Joy Kumar, DGP LM Khaute, Chief Secretary Suresh Babu, top officials of the Army, Police and Civil took part in the homage-paying ceremony held at Imphal International Airport. It may be recalled that the IED ambush was carried out by prescribed outfit PLA on 31st ARC Koi Party at KT Center between Kangpad and Sky Village under Chachat Police Station in Kamjong District around 5:30 to 7 on Monday morning. Rifleman Ningthaujam Subhash Chandra from Khangabon village in Thoubal district died in the ambush while 3 others were injured.
From all the side, we have to condemn it, and from the government side, we are strongly condemning this kind of act. We will hunt them down using force, powers. Government doesn't like. Government all the time try to negotiate through dialogues to come to the negotiating tables, political solutions. They are continuation of killing of our forces and our peoples. At least we have to defend, and we have to initiate necessary legal actions. Already operation is on and is going on, and will carry on till the naf of the culprit.
A team of Narcotic and Affairs of Border (NAB) Manipur has apprehended 2 individuals in possession of heroin powder weighing 1 kg, estimated to be worth around 20 lakh rupees in a local market last evening. The 2 arrested persons are identified as Hidangmayum Inau, 43 years, son of late H. Nilamani, and Hijam Tondum, 37 years, son of late H. Ibohal, both from Yaripok, Yambe, Makhalekai. Briefing media persons on the drug hole at NAB office, Superintendent of Police NAB W. Basu stated that a team led by additional SP NAB RK Shaklemba nabbed the 2 culprits in possession of the heroin powder near Punya Hyundai car showroom at Nagaram in Imphal East District around 5:30 on Monday evening. A case was registered at NAB police station in this regard. Declaring that NAB will continue to relentlessly undertake similar drives, SP Basu further intimated that efforts are on to dispose of all the seized drugs without further delay.
Ngarang pung mga makaimuk tawa matam madaida NAB team mama led by additional SP Saklemba Rajkumar miu ani akoina Nagaram Punya Hyundai showroom car showroom in Mamang the Mu and Mete and Pai, Moidagi heroin 1 kg, Moidagi Fai. Adu si matang that case sama NAB police station the case sama register tore investigation was a queen Makasatana win at Togeri.
A team of city police led by additional SP Operation Imphal West TH Krishna Tombi conducted a cordon and search operation in 2 different places of Pauna Bazaar by the bank of Nambul River today. 12 persons with no proper identification documents were taken to the city police for further verification. The State Transport Department has collected a total fine of 76,000 rupees from 93 illegally parked vehicles and vehicles without complete documents in Imphal city since yesterday. A team of the department officials under the supervision of Imphal West District Transport Officer Thiam Dinachandra fined 50 illegally parked diesel auto rickshaws, Tata Magics and buses without complete documents from Waheng Laikai, Shamu Makong, Maharani Bridge and Overbridge today. Speaking to media persons in connection with the drive initiated by the Transport Department, DTO Thiam Dinachandra stated that the department will continue to conduct such drives in different areas. He appealed to all the vehicles owners, including passenger service providers, to get complete documents from the department concerned. The DTO warned of cancellation of vehicle registration or road permit if the offence is committed 3 times.
Matang drive hogani maramaduna haiba gari wala gari society gi gari thobi riba gari bu ngaibi riba chalise isin sa khoi gi mo bang singna haiba corner sida gari ngaibi gano parking da chalaga gari tong gi hainabi si thambiu maroina dagi gari octo sing ji mostly ayamana che sang sudaba driving license ngarang dagi hogjabane akoi free sa tokba yaroi loimak aduna isana khangna haiba pot sing sa cooperation pinaraga thabak sing si public interest da edang thabak se parking gi jaga gari che chang gi driving license gi pot sing si edang solution ji porpa yabrani yengjena drive chathajabane.
Anti-vehicle theft team of the state along with anti-motor theft squad detective department, Kolkata crime branch, have recovered 9 four-wheelers which were stolen from Kolkata. The recovered vehicles were produced in front of media persons on the office campus of Porompat Superintendent of Police today. Most of the recovered cars bear the IND number issued by the State Transport Department. Meanwhile, State Anti-Vehicle Theft Team also recovered 3 stolen 4-wheelers and 1 stolen 2-wheelers and arrested 5 persons involved in the theft. Speaking in regard to the remarkable achievement of Imphal East Police, SP Imphal East K. Meghachandra said, State Anti-Vehicle Theft Team led by additional SP Imphal East Police Roni Mayengbam was able to recover the stolen vehicles after the Anti-Motor Theft Squad Detection Department, Kolkata Crime Branch, asked for assistance regarding the vehicle theft on July 6. He said most of the recovered vehicles were abandoned by the persons involved in the theft upon getting information of the police being after them. The SP assured that the state police team will continue to assist Kolkata police in arresting the gang of vehicle lifters. Meghachandra appealed to all to buy vehicles with complete documents from identified owners. He warned that buyers of stolen vehicles are also punishable by law.
Anti-vehicle theft team gi lairibasida koina sigumase khangdokpa praja na koide information yam piba darkar lei maramdi gari mangbagi masigi da chenariba geng se phukna masi manghangiba natragadi geng ase sum lairigadi nongma natra nongmadi koi civilian mayam se huranba singsigi victim koi loina tagado ngaktani gari khamambada save oina dre puthokiba khotkiba aduna sigi activities mayam sigi any sign ama uba matamda chingnaba ama leiba matamda Kudakta pau pibiraga koina police department na prajagi kitang mateng pangbada mayam nasu mateng pangbiyo atana thamjage.
A Deen Dayal Upadhyay Gramin Koshala Yojana DDU GKY project, Food and Beverage Training Center, sponsored by Manipur State Rural Livelihood Mission, under the aegis of the Ministry of Rural Development with an objective to generate employment opportunities for the unemployed youth was opened today. Gyan Jyoti Foundation, Guwahati, launched the center at Manjipukri Village number 8. The training center aims at generating 350 skilled trainees from 3 different batches within 2 years. The center has different hostels for girls and boys with free food and lodging facilities for all the trainees. It offers soft skill and IT skills training in 6 months, 8 months and 12 months courses. The certificate of the training program will provide job opportunities in the country and abroad. Gracing the event as a chief guest, Additional Chief Secretary RD and PR Government of Manipur, M.H. Khan, said it is impossible for the government to provide jobs to all the citizens of the country, and as such the youth should be skilled to either look for jobs in private sector or be self-employed. He also maintained that such training program will help a state like Manipur with large number of potential youth to a great extent. Training kits were also distributed to the trainees on the occasion.
%70 people have to be given job after the training. Training Thanipan Gisulay, Thatal Kichulay, Chahi Amagi Sulay. Accordingly, there is a salary pattern 8,000, 10,000, 15,000. But that is starting. No enough training Kauraga job Atopa Calcutta the Pangaya, Guwahati the Pangaya, Delhi the Pangaya, Mapan the Suchatpaya, Thailand Mumbai, Atopa Topadaga Suchatpaya. So this is only a starting for your career. No enough already, interest training already. No self-confidence like.
The Supreme Court has responded to the election petition filed by Northeast India Development Party regarding various inaccuracies in the election results of the 11th Manipur legislative election of 21 Patsoi constituency. Candidate of Northeast India Development Party from Patsoi constituency in the last election, Sapam Kunjakeshwar asserted that perseverance is the key in bringing justice to any cause. Speaking further to media persons at the party's office in Tera, Kunjakeshwar said the Supreme Court has issued hearing notice for July 4 in response to their petition. Indicating that the party has strong faith in the law, he also hoped that justice will be brought to their case. He also highlighted that the party has undertaken various developmental projects in the constituency, regardless of the election's results. He believed that justice will be brought to the mixing up of postal ballot papers of Patsoi and Konthaujam constituencies. He also hoped that the High Court of Manipur will abide by the Supreme Court in bringing justice to the case.
Northeast India Development Party, I am Tazas about the Sena, Punzilla Chava, Dorne. I'm Tazas about that, quite Kalet, no, we didn't win Panganendo. Hike the Tarik Marie, Tartret 2018, Sistamway Toya, quick, that's in a copy and around quick Pangan. Northeast India Development Party, candidate with Jeroba Masigi, Carmimo in the critics of hygiene is when Sangi quick be charged. Tapi I wanted them, no, they do Lakani. Why na madi lakani but why na ngambaya na traga to pai ge opinion oi biri bisna ngambasya adu de tonga wa phom ni ko adu justice am di phangane ai na verdict am di phangane kari gumba kondau jam kendra sida pasoi yorandraba nam live long bhot le pat tok pa yaraba ga da id affidavit tawne yes I can do it adu maki thajabane khoi da leiri je.
Speaking on the sidelines, General Secretary Administration NEIDP Central Working Committee W. Khelendra said after confirming there were controversies involved in election declaration, an election petition was filed at the High Court of Manipur in April last year. He also said a press conference on the petition was held at the Press Club of India where misconducts during the counting of the election were exposed on media. He hoped for the audio and video recordings in possession of the party as witness to the incident to facilitate in bringing justice.
Lairiba Pasoi Kendragi Watok Asigidamak Supreme Court na Hakchin na Lobi Bagaloinana Pasoi Asigi postal ballot paper Kara Konthaujam Asigi ballot box ta Yauraga Lady Haibasi Achumba Kangdung Nanaba Amadi Laikiba Asoibasing Adugi Achumba Wayel Chatta Binanabidamata Supreme Court na Wayel Ama Pibirakpa Asimak Lamdam Asida Aran Batabuk Thoram Singh Tobada achum aran puthokpa ngamba wayal loisang ama leiri haibasi mayek sengna khanghan bibagi damakta ikai khumnajariba Supreme Court pu hanna thagachari. North East India Development Party amadi pasoi AC gi praja miyamna ho kiba lising ani tara taret assembly election gi vote masing thibada leikiba asoiba sing adugi achumba wayal soidana phanglagani.
Thangmaiban Kendra Development Organization has affirmed to extend full support in protecting the territory of Manipur and resolving the Indo-Myanmar border dispute. Speaking to media persons, Secretary of the organization K. Dalin Kumar stressed that people of the state should not remain silent when Myanmar has encroached upon Manipur's land. He said it is an irrefutable fact that Manipur's land has been encroached by Myanmar, which has been affirmed by significant BJP leaders. He also noted that the controversial border Pillar 81 was installed by Survey of India around April and May this year, assuring that Tagdo will support any movement undertaken in the state to safeguard the state's territory. Dalin Kumar urged the people of this state to stand united and eliminate any element that threaten the state's integrity. President of Tagdo and members of the organizations were present at the press meet.
Lup kaya na haire kauthada leiba isil inau khudingmakna thamoi sokna larokle sarkar pairiba BJP gi maru oiba mioi kaya na ngamkhai sokre haibasi khangna larokle Bharat Sarkar na Manipur gi miyambu tumit kang gum khanduna aikhoi gi lambu Myanmar Burma da pithok khiba haibasi aikhoi khudingmakna condemn tawpham thoi Manipur gi ngamkhai kannanaba laurakpa khongthang khudingmakta tagdona saukatchagani makhoina tawrakpa khongjang khudingmak yaugani Manipur gi lam manghan bada chenaba khudingmak miyam changduna muthatsi.
PRO Office Manipur University in a press release informed that Vice Chancellor of the University, Professor Adya Prasad Pandey, has called for a meeting with the students, teaching and non-teaching staff of Manipur University to bring solution to the university crisis. Pangal Manipuri Muslim Political Forum Manipur in a press release drew the attention of the state and central government to resolve the Manipur University crisis at the earliest. Vehicular movement on Barak Bridge along Imphal-Jiribam Road began today after the completion of its repair works by BIPO. The vehicles stranded on one side of bridge were allowed passage from 5 this evening. The stranded loaded vehicles have headed towards Imphal. Member of All Manipur Road Transport Drivers and Motor Workers Union and Imphal Silchar Road Bus Owner Welfare Union earlier visited the site to take stock of the condition of the bridge before the completion of the repair work. It may be mentioned that the bridge collapsed on July 8. It's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on a personnel of 7th IRB posted in Jiribam who reportedly hanged himself to death. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. After the break, you're watching Primetime English News. A personnel of 7th IRB posted in Jiribam reportedly hanged himself to death. The deceased personnel is identified as M. Bobo, posted on duty at Treasury Office in Uchathol of Jiribam district. Impact News sources said M. Bobo was found hanging from the ventilator in his barrack by his colleagues early this morning. A case was registered in this regard at Jiribam police station and the body was transported to Imphal. The Directorate of Fishery observed 18th Fish Farmers Day 2018 at the department's complex in Lamphel today. Gracing the event as a chief guest, Fishery Minister N. Kaishi stated that despite the state's requirement for a minimum of 52,000 metric tons of fish for consumption, the state could produce only 32,000 metric tons of fishes. He emphasized the need for welfare schemes of fish farmers to improve fish production in the state. The minister also appealed to fish farmers to avail help from the nearest fishery department when required. Fish farmers with largest fish production and largest indigenous fish production in the Fish Fair Cum Fish Crop Competition 2017 were presented with cash prizes and mementos at the event.
I have requested our director fishery to make a solution for proper testing of fishes, so reported with the formalin content by contacting central government research institution to clear the doubt of the people of Manipur. Some of our staff has also been posted to check the quantity of fishes imported in Manipur at More, Jiribam, Sekmai and Mau station. Our director will test fish sample.
Self-Employment Volunteer Association SEVA distributed System of Rice Intensification SRI agricultural tools at subsidized rates today. The input distribution program for promotion of SRI, sponsored by CML Tata Trust, was held at Manipur Press Club in Major Ko. CEO of SEVA, Kundrakpam Chinglane, told media persons that SEVA distributed the agricultural tools at subsidized rates to facilitate farmers in enhancing agricultural productions.
SRI की पोथोक असिदा लमसी सुम पिक्सलकपनिना SRI पोथोकसी तौरगदी लौ संगममदा फोबोट कुनमंगा थोमदो मफम सिदा फोबोट निफुमंगा यांखै फंगदोइनि अदुगी सिस्टम अमा तौबा अदुगी दुदा चंगसननो होनरकपा खोइदा सपोर्ट तौबजे खोइ गवर्नमेंट नि गसि खोइ सपोर्ट अमदा फंगदे टाटा ट्रस्टना खोइदा सपोर्ट तौबनि खोइगी मरुइना असिगी SRI तौरिसि बॉम्बे बेस तौबा खोइ टाटा ट्रस्टना खोइ स्पॉन्सर तौबनि अदुगा खोइना तौरिसि aromatic black rice अखोई चाहौ सु अखोई मसीदा सपोर्ट तौवे चाहौ नु हो लोइना येनथोइबा फौदिनु दि येनथोइसे फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट लोइ येनथोपनि पम सिकक्तनि अखोइना सब्सिडी राइस तौरगा लिसिंग अनि गा जाते अखोइना पिजरिसे
Universal Caring Mission UNICAM held an inaugural program of differentiated service delivery model for art under Manipur State AIDS Control Society at Wonghon Village under Yangang-Pokpi Sub-DIC in Imphal East District today. Project Director Max A. Radha Mohan, Joint Director Abhiram Mongjam, Dr. Lucy Sajia and Chairman of Wonghon Village Development Authority, Turner Raihing, and many individuals on antiretroviral therapy took part in the event. Speaking on the occasion, Project Director Radha Mohan called on the ART administered individuals to take personal responsibility for one's health and maintain medication adherence by taking the medicine every day and exactly as prescribed. SCERT organized a folk tale writing competition for upper primary schools of government schools with an objective to promote and popularize age-old folk tales of the society among the students today. A total of 140 students of Imphal West District participated in a competition held at Hindi Teachers Training Institute complex on DM College campus, while a total of 80 students of Imphal East District appeared in the same competition yesterday. Speaking to media persons, program coordinator of the competition, L. Khrushchev, stated that the prizes of the competition will be distributed at an event in connection with World Population Day at SCERT complex tomorrow. He also said similar competition will be held in other districts as well.
SCERT department na chinjaraga organize tawraga Maruina Koigi Timdi, Pongawari, the Yumpum, Maracasin Javani, Maruina Pongawari, I am Basatra sing the Tambayawitam the Basho, double Manabun, Kang and Nabagidamak the Pandam Daquina, Maruina Hari Pongawari, the Yumpum Maraga. Case prize when a Koigi SRT department, Maruiva, Tungi, Yumbirian Gishu, Amadi among the Hogi, Yumpum Maraga Sigumba, how living the Kang. Nabagidamagda Shigum Pandamasi SRT department na Tamjaduna Han Boy Nangashiki folktale writing competition as Pangtok 7.
Kangleipak Thopanglup strongly condemned the conduct of those in power trying to forcibly convert Uripok Tononsana School, which is more than 60 years old, into Ramakrishna Mission Private School. Sanamahi Inad Lining Loina Shilon Apunlup celebrated its second Foundation Day at Youth Welfare Club Community Hall Palace Compound today. Many Sanamahi devotees, including MLA Thokchom Satyabrata, took part in the event. Floral tributes were paid to the late leaders of Silal on the occasion.
Sanamahi Lainingi, Ihosida, Hena Maru, Rishi. Haidiba, Irat Ishun Doriba, Saishakpa, Saishakpi Singsina, Sanami Lining, Ihosida, Hena Maru, Maramna, Haidiba Sing as a Comjin Dachin Baje, Matautai, and a Kanmadegi, Alaman Ching, Pokak Pibira, Matunda, Haidiba Loop Sailing Katsabani, Paipuki Lining, Hanjal Lakanda, Aikuje, Hena Pajaba, do Hena Chakapa, Puruk Kunayama, or a Kani at Hajabadegi, Nashi, Quigi Miam, the Jew, a Quigi Lon, Hanjala Iba, Inat Lining, no Mongi Hanjala Iba. District
Administration in Imphal East, in collaboration with Bashikong Gram Panchayat, held Go to Mission Camp at Sinsuba Sanglen, Bashikong, Lamlong Maripangba today. Altogether, 26 government departments took part in the camp, where inhabitants of Thongju constituency were given facility to get relevant documents for availing various government schemes. Speaking to Impact News, Pradhan of Bashikong Gram Panchayat Nongombam Binolata asserted that Go to Village mission launched by Chief Minister Biren is successfully being carried out all across the state. She said under the mission, department officials now provide easy service at doorsteps and facilitated enrollment for schemes which earlier proved to be a very tedious task.
Papa masida koi department kun gataru install hange department kun taru sida maru na social welfare department labor department ade hak sengi tangbang health ki basgong prajada lai miyam sing sida aikoina nimit sida laga kan Basingje Kuda Masa Masada Pibangambagi Kudong Sabase Akoi Pangbangame.
Go to Village Camp was also held at Chavang 5 Village, Ward number 7 in Moray today. The camp was organized by Additional Deputy Commissioner N. Bankim. CMHT cards were distributed to beneficiaries at the camp. The Horticulture Department also distributed insecticide pump to the beneficiaries. The 7th phase of Go to Village Mission Camp for Hyanglam constituency was held at Thongjal Village today. District Administration Kakching held the camp at Ibudal Mayangamba Laibung in the village. Altogether, 20 departments opened stalls and facilitated the people on various government schemes and benefits during the camp. Speaking on the occasion, MLA Hyanglam and Chairman of Manitko, Yumnam Radhesham asserted that the success of the government's Go to Hills mission has brought the inhabitants of the hills and the valley together. He also said, after the success of the 6th phase of the Go to Village mission, camp for the 7th phase was held today to facilitate inhabitants of the area in availing various governmental benefits.
Ngasi magpiba ya abado gamba benefit singa dulu kudak tapihan jalani kari ko kudak tapiba ya adraga su madu khandar ga matang thre manunda susoi soidana sarkar gina piriba adkhana basina sing manunda oraga gi praja ma susoi soidana phangani am se ngasi lamda masida laibiriba praja miyom pudimangna sarkar sigi BJP na luchimba honorable chief minister N Biren na aikoina hawdok piriba sarkar segi go to the village every artha che thonaba madu kana phangnaba prajaga akoi government ka punna chaminadana awana punna saruga minarga sakat pa punai ma purakpada go to the village na chamu mateng pang ngambani.
District Administration Bishnupur also held the 6th phase of Go to Village mission camp at 3 blocks, namely Nambol, Bishnupur and Moirang today. 20 departments opened stalls at the camps and provided various benefits to the people. Seeds and spices, as well as certificates and cards of various schemes were distributed to the beneficiaries. Taking part at the camp, MLA Radhakeshwar appealed to the people to approach the government through WhatsApp and internet if any government department deny any governmental benefits to them. Kickboxing Association of Manipur in a press release notified that the selection trials of Manipur kickboxing team to participate in IAKO National Kickboxing Championship to be held from September 6 to 9 at Preden Indoor Stadium, Goa will be held on July 22nd at Lairik Yengbam Awang Lekai Community Hall. Before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. State pays homage to slain personnel of Assam Rifles Ningthaujam Subhash Chandra, who was killed in an IED ambush by proscribed outfit PLA. NAB Manipur continues drives against drugs trafficking, nabs 2 persons with heroin powder weighing 1 kg worth around 20 lakh rupees in the local market. State Transport Department collects a total fine of 76,000 rupees from 93 illegally parked vehicles and vehicles without complete documents in Imphal city since yesterday. And Manipur Anti-Vehicle Theft Team and Anti-Motor Theft Squad Detective Department Kolkata Crime Branch recover 9 4-wheelers stolen from Kolkata.